Embarking on the journey to study abroad in the United Kingdom can be exhilarating yet daunting. Start with extensive research to find universities that resonate with your academic goals and personal preferences, ensuring they are accredited and boast vibrant campus life. Next, confirm that you meet the entry requirements, including academic credentials and English proficiency. Timing is crucial. Apply early to secure your spot by submitting thorough applications through UCAS and ensuring all documents are prepared. As you await responses, explore scholarship options and consider part time job opportunities to fund your education. Once accepted, navigate the visa process with diligence before booking your flights. On arrival, the excitement of registering at your university and opening a UK bank account transforms your ambitions into reality, marking the commencement of a memorable academic adventure.